I have a water bottle mount I just got in the mail here, and it's by the company called ROCKBROS. And check this out. This 4Runner is an e-bike that I have purchased from Bandit. I highly recommend this, but it doesn't come with a water bottle holder, but it does have a mount right here. I'm going to show y'all exactly what you get with it. You're going to get 2 screws, and check it out. They even give you a wrench with it. I don't need the screws because my bike has screws already installed. And most bikes are tapped, and they're pretty standard as far as the screws. All right, so I'm going to take the water bottle holder here. You can see the slots. They did slot them, so you can move it around a little bit. And once you get it started, so I'm going to get one started there and get this one started. And it's great they give you a supplied wrench for this, so that way you don't have to hunt down a wrench to mount these things. And you could see it right here. And the bottle that I use, I highly recommend one of these Camelback podium bottles. And check this out. That just locks down in there like that. Don't that look awesome? Look how great that looks. That is a perfect mounting spot for that, in my opinion. I can grab it like that, and then when I want to put it back, it just slides into place. So there it is, everybody. That's the ROCKBROS water bottle holder with the Camelback podium insulated. See you guys in the next video. Woo!